So I was out here shooting a video and just walking through the woods, and I was standing here talking, and out of the nowhere this little woodpecker just lands above my head and starts going to work on that branch. And I was talking pretty loud. I'm trying to talk quiet now, and he seems to pay no mind to me. He just seems to be doing what he's doing, and that's cool. So I think that's a little, they call a spotted woodpecker. Not exactly sure, but a little woodpecker just comes in and is looking for some food.